everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's baking episode, we are going to be making banana muffins. These muffins, guys, they are soft, moist, and delicious. You only need 3 ripe bananas and a few ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First, we're gonna work on the wet ingredients. I'm using spotty and ripe bananas. Peel them and place them into a bowl. Then use a whisk to mash them. You can also use a fork. Next, we are going to add an egg, then mix well until well combined. And I follow with vegetable oil and vanilla extract. Then we're gonna mix well until everything is well incorporated. This is how our mixture looks, guys. It's so smooth. Now we're gonna set that aside and work on the dry ingredients. Here I have all-purpose flour in ghost baking powder. We're gonna also add in baking soda. We're gonna also add in sugar, cinnamon, then salt, and mix well to combine. Once all the dry ingredients are mixed well, we're gonna go ahead and add it to the wet ingredients, and using a whisk we're gonna mix all this together. Make sure, guys, you do not over mix this. We don't want tough muffins. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so you get notified every time Mama Bui uploads a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your loyal support. Please make sure you like and leave a comment down below. Now the batter looks good. Here I'm using 6 large muffin baking cups. We're gonna go ahead and spoon the batter into the baking cups. One thing I like about these muffins, they are wonderfully plain as they are, but taste even better with 1 cup of nuts or 1 cup of chocolate chips. I have the oven preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake for 5 minutes, then reduce to 350 and bake for 20 to 23 minutes. The muffins baked for 23 minutes. I just pull them out of the oven, allowed to cool for 5 minutes in the muffin pan, then transfer onto a cooling rack to cool completely. I hope you will try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out for you. Let me go ahead and open one muffin and show you how it looks inside. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey.